Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can reset your little NES Mini if you're setting it on, so the next person who gets it doesn't have any of your save data. All we have to do is go up to this icon up here, which is options, and then press A, and then we want to go down to system reset and press A, but it's not just pressing it. Can you see we have to hold it down? Yeah, so if you keep holding it down, it's going to go right the way across, like so, and then it says this will reset the system to factory settings. Your data can't be recovered after resetting. Are you sure you want to reset? So move over to the right to reset and press A, and it says shutting down. Now when the next person gets it, they're going to be installing it from the very beginning, where they have to choose their language. There we go. So you can see now it's been completely reset. So you can power it off, unplug it all, sell it on, knowing that the next person will have it from the very beginning. Thanks for watching.